If your vape pen is not hitting or not charging, it could be due to a clogged cartridge, incompatible charger, or a loose component. These issues can usually be fixed at home. To fix a connection issue, adjust the connection plate on the vape battery with a paperclip. If the pen is not charging, check the connection plate in the charger and clean the charging port with a toothpick or cotton swab. Make sure to use a compatible charger and try a different power source if needed. If the pen still won't charge, the battery may be damaged and a replacement may be necessary. Make sure the pen is turned on correctly and try preheating the cart if it's draw activated and not firing. If the pen charges but won't hit, retwist the cartridge to ensure a secure connection. Adjust the voltage and temperature settings of the pen as needed. If there is a clog, clean the connection plate with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol, or blow into the cartridge to clear debris. Lastly, check the battery for any residue or leaks and consider purchasing a new pen if necessary.